e.g. versus i.e. They do not mean the same thing, and it does matter which one we use because it impacts the meaning of our sentence. So let's run through this real quickly and get it straight. I'm Erin. Thanks for being here at High Value Writing. When we use e.g., we're actually talking about providing an example. And often people like to remember that in their brain by saying, for example, as a little trick. What it really means here is, e.g., I'm going to list a couple things that could be the answer. They're examples of the answer. I.e., on the other hand, though, is very specific. You're pointing out, that is, in essence, this is really the thing I meant. So we get almost an overlap from indefinite to definite articles, which we'll come back at in a moment for a pro tip. We're going to walk through 4 examples. I'll ask you to choose which you think goes there. For example, or that is. Please provide the required documents, credit report, tax forms, to complete your loan application. So are we saying, for example, any old documents, for example, these 2? Probably not. We're being specific. We're saying that is, i.e., I need your credit report, I need your tax forms. On the other hand, the members applied for a loan to fund some home improvements. Updated kitchen, new gutters. Is that the only thing they're going to do with the loan? I don't know. Those are just examples. We would go with e.g. there because it could be any of these things that they're working on. We're not pointing to something specific like we are in i.e. Okay, 2 more and then we'll get a secret tip you can use. We told the 2 customers, Karen and Sasha Sanchez, we'd get back to them soon. Is it any old customers we've ever had? No, it's the 2 that I'm thinking of, i.e., that is Karen and Sasha. On the other hand, her team enjoys helping out with events and charitable causes. And there's a lot of those. Health walks and fundraisers to prevent homelessness, we would say e.g. there, examples of the many different ways to contribute. All right, so what is a sneaky way you can remember this? Real easy. We already know you can think for example for the e.g., but check this out. You might have noticed in the 2 sentences where i.e. was the answer, we had a the. And that definite article refers to pointing something out, right? So the documents you need, the customers you need to talk to, those are going to indicate the need for an i.e. because we're pointing out something specific, just like that definite article does. All right, let me know if you have questions in the comments. I'll see you soon.